How to change group icon on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your group icon on WhatsApp. First thing first, you will have to launch your app and then choose the group that you want to change your icon of. But you have to note that only the admins or moderators can change the group icon. If you are a general member and you don't have the admin access, then you won't be able to change the group icon. So if you are an admin of any group, then you will be able to change it. So just tap on this group info, which will take you to the group. And now just tap on this profile icon, which is blank right now. And from here, tap on gallery. You can choose any photo you'd like. So just choose a photo that you want to set as a group photo and make sure that you align it perfectly. And you can crop it however you want, but you will have to fit it inside the square. And tap on done. And once you do that, the group photo will be changed and it's set to this photo right now. And that's how you can easily change a group photo. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.